your
Well,
butt
hell,
crack
boy.
coming out.
You ready? Shut your mouth. I'm about to see you, boy. Sit back there and listen. Listen. Alright, here we go. One. You gonna sing it with me? Oh, screw your life too. Whatever, man. I'm going on with it. Oh.
Dude, that's even better, dude. That's disgusting.
You sound like you want me over there. It sound like you don't want me.
Word.
Look, man, you don't want me to sing.
Oh, yeah, we got
yes
some elites on our team.
No, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. You gonna sing
There
tonight?
you go, dude. That always helps, dude.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, what's up, Bob? Yeah, y'all.
Nah, man, you gonna sing with me or not, dog?
You know, veto this shit, dog.
Yeah, Vito, you gonna sing or not? You gonna work with me? I need a good backup, man. I can't do it by myself.
Oh, hell yeah. Big Team Slayer on Avalanche.
Alright.
Get ready for the snowstorm! Wow.
Yeah. Man, where you from? Jersey Shore or something? What's up, man?
I'm not fucking from the Jersey Shore shit, you ass clown. I'm gonna get 50 kills.
Hey, calm down now. Calm down. It ain't that serious.
I'm a little, I can't calm down. I just had sex with 12-year-old.
Oh, man. My bread and butter. I'm a plumber.
That's disgusting. You can't say TV doing all that.
Whatever. All women shit. When I make $900 a week,
That is terrible. How many health codes you breaking? How many health codes you breaking doing that?
yeah, that's a real question.
How many times have you been disinfected? You know what I'm saying? You swimming around in shit. You like jackass. You like Steve-Oing on them, huh? That's nasty. That's nasty.
Gotta make a living.
I ain't living in shit, bro. I don't care how much you paying me, bro. Like, that's nasty.
Another day, another dollar to be checked, right? I got
And I make money sexing up women, and that's pretty safe, you know what I'm saying? They're like 300 pounds, though, you know what I'm saying? They sound like bacon.
Get that change once, you fuck them.
You're like, what?
The
differences making, having sex with women, is I can get like STD, right? You get like chlamydia with the shit you're doing, right? Like,
you eat all kinds, You wear gloves when you get first, right?
Hey, tell her, he's like, nah, it's cool, dog, I'm just wearing gloves.
Yeah. I'm wearing gloves.
Yeah, I make
water.
Women is nasty, drinking water wearing gloves. You look like a super tank. What you doing over there?
We just find all open and stuff, boy.
You use one of those little, you use a snorkel. Use a little snorkel.
Oh yeah, boy. You make $1,000 a week, you come to me, dog.
Dude, I make $1,000 a week, man. That shit's retarded. Swimming and drinking water.
I got to pay you. I'm going in there. I don't know what y'all do. Oh, that's not.
That's crazy.
What is it, want to be in Hawaii next year? Hey, so,
you live in life.
What kind of benefits you get You get full benefits. I broke my leg skateboarding, they paid for it. $20 cover card, that's it.
Hey, tell her, you get those girls that literally say, hey, I'm the shit, because they be swimming in the pool. They're like, that's just nasty. You know what I'm saying? Next time I go to the bathroom, I'm gonna take a big nasty fucking $5 footlong dump. For real, I'm gonna eat all kinds of nasty food and make sure you clean it out, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Write a note. I'm gonna put a note bag when I flip
I'm gonna say this for you, K.E. Real talk. If you don't get it, and if you don't clean my shit, I'll give you extra bag. can't give me $1,000, I'm gonna clean your shit.
That's nasty. Only a G? You getting a G to clean people's toilets?
Yeah, well, you know how many toilets I do a day? About 8 to 10. That's 10 G's, homie.
Hey, listen
about
to
it.
this, real talk. Hey, listen to this, real. I come in there and I drop like an elephant shit, man, and that's like it's on the walls, it's on the floor. I wrote my name in it. You know, you gonna clean that for $1,000? You can clean that for $1,000?
Then I'm gonna get my boys to go ahead and
That's
follow up on that.
that's your personal. I'm saying if your toilet's clogged because your shit too big, I'll clean it. But I ain't gonna clean your walls.
What if I was like, yo, I'll give you another G if you make snow angels in it?
Oh yeah, you gotta make the snow. You can't make the half page. You gotta make the full angel now.
Which was
Ladies
fucking
and gentlemen, the best black person on Xbox Live, Telyon.
Watch out. Shotgun, shotgun.
We'll see, we'll see.
Shotgun.
What's those people?
One time got a shotgun. Shotgun.
The fuck is
Be in your butt.
What the fuck is this bullshit? Oh man, this is gonna be too good.
playing?
I have no idea.
My thing is like, my thing is that's it. Once I can do fake, I look at fake. You can't stop it.
What the fuck is he talking about?
Man, right on the front page.
What is he talking about?
You don't know. Look, man. After I get done eating my bacon, I take a nap. But time you wake up, man. And when you don't wake up, that's when they call the ambulance. The ambulance get there.
What do you call an ambulance?
Yeah, I call them, right? Other people call them, right? Anyway, with the ambulance, look, question is hospital. Anyway, man. If the ambulance gets there, guess what they do, man? They pull out the IV. But it ain't regular, it ain't that simple. That's just crazy. They have to look at it. There you go. Look, when I get revived, yo, the guy that is like, look like a cloud face every day. Anything. Just look, I don't know. I gotta deal with these little man. Slap face, right? Okay? You know that's the reason. I'm not lying to you. I'm not lying to you.
2 for 1, is that what you just said? 2 for 1?
Right.
Lie. That is one hell of a
Hey, this stuff hot though, man. It's straight off the truck, man. You need to get it quick with the cops, you know? Man, I keep selling that stuff like that. What the fuck are you talking about?
You're saying I can meet you. I can buy 2, count them, 2
Yep.
strips of bacon.
Yep.
Price one.
Hey,
I-
what's up with the deal to me,
I-
man? If you snitch on me and I find out you snitched on me, I'm gonna kill your kids. I'm gonna kill your TV. I'm gonna kill your wife. I'm gonna kill your dog. I'm gonna kill everything you got in your house. dog. I know. Fuck your shit.
Game over.